Hi, my name is Dr. Rhonda Smith, and I am also a nurse practitioner, life coach, and behavior specialist. And today the event is so awesome because I've been waiting for this dream center to come. I wrote the vision years ago, and I've been waiting and praying about it. What I do is addiction, and I also do toxic relationships. And what I'm going to be doing at the Dream Center is my curriculum that God has given me called Divine Core Transformation Self Love Breakthrough to a New You. Now, what I like about that is it teaches self esteem, self worth, and all different things that my clients will be knowing. First of all, with addiction, you have to get to the core, you have to pull up the root. So instead of just treating addiction, I also want to go inside and treat the mental alert and the awareness so people would know what happened, how did I get here, and how do I renew my mind. So I'm so excited because we're going to be offering case management, we're going to be offering clothing, showers, food, daycare. We're going to teach people how to get jobs, they're going to get applications, we're going to teach them how to do resumes. I mean, this is a holistic approach. So I'm so grateful to be part of this. Stay tuned because you guys have seen nothing yet. All praises to God.